Don't try this at home. Seriously. These two brothers took a photo of their garage with the door open, printed it on a huge banner, and placed it over the actual door. From the outside, it looked completely real, like the garage was wide open. They knew their sister was about to arrive, so they hid nearby and waited to see what would happen. When she finally pulled up, what she did next was shocking. I'll show you in a second, but wait, if money matters more than your dad, you can scroll past this video, but if your dad means everything to you, hit like, subscribe, and share this right now. And if you truly love your dad with all your heart, drop "I love you, Dad" in the comment. Now back to the prank. As she approached, she didn't realize anything was off and walked straight into the banner. Thankfully, the brothers didn't take it too far and quickly closed the garage afterward. And that's why